Hi guys and welcome back. This reading is for the zodiac sign of Gemini. So if you have your sun, moon, rising or your Saturn sitting in the sign of Gemini, this is the reading for you. The first card that I have for you guys is 5 of Wands. So I think in your workplace, or when it comes to your career, there seems to be a lot of confusion. The energy is very scattered, and there's a lot of drama of other people that could be influencing either your finances or either your career or the way your career is going. In terms of situations that I can feel like it might be like you're due for a promotion, you're due for a change in your life, but there are too many contenders, or there are too many candidates or too many people who've applied for the same position, which is why you kind of have to prove your worth amongst all these people. And they're equally good because they are applying for the same position, same level. So this could also mean if you are applying, if you are without a job and you are trying to find a job, or if you are applying for a position internally. The next card that I have for you guys is Four of Swords. So from number 5 you're moving to number 4. So number 5, it's a number of transformation. Transformation in a sense that you have to keep working for it. You don't know when you're going to hit the jackpot and when things are going to change, but at the same time uh, I think you want to move forward, you want to grow, but at the same time I feel like this is specifically for people who are applying for jobs and they have not been very successful. uh, you've tried very hard, because the Three of Swords at the back shows there has been disappointment, and you're keeping this one sword safe because you're trying to find the breakthrough that you need. And the good thing for you guys is at the bottom of the deck I have the World card, and the World card talks about change. It talks about things that are coming. It talks about some you're going to complete a cycle, so some kind of learning is going to come to an end. It's also a card of travel, so for some of you, you may also need to travel, or your new job could be in a different place. The next card that I have for you is Knight of Swords. What's going? So many swords card. So you are very eager. You are eagerly waiting to change. You are waiting for that one offer to come towards you, or that one answer from someone that's actually going to change your life for now. And the thing is, there has been delay in getting that answer. See what exactly the same feeling. It's not even changing. But the thing is, it's coming. Uh, because at the bottom of the deck, I have the Ace of Wands. So it's possibly coming. When is it going to come? Uh, I'm pretty sure, I think you should be able to get something by July, August. If not now, but by July, August, you will probably be in a way, way, way better place than where you are right now. The next card that I have for you guys is the King of Pentacles. Guys, you are in for a lot of work. Another piece of advice for you guys is that if you work during nighttime, because the moon has shown up, right? So if you harness the energy of the moon, in regards to your career, I feel like you're going to do absolutely amazing. Things are going to really work out well for you. And the Knight of Pentacles, the King of Pentacles is shown up, which um in most of the readings, don't it tells you that you are meant to do something great. But the thing is, with these cards, with the swords and the wands, so these guys are not very patient. That's one of the characteristics. These guys are, if you're embodying this energy, you're not being very patient. Also, consistency is not here, because when the King of Pentacles shows up, this is a guy who's basically like an accountant. So they do the same thing over and over and over and over again. The only difference is they're dealing with different numbers, but it's the same concept, it's the same thing. So they don't get bored of doing the same thing over and over. So for you guys, that is the advice. I know it's hard. I know you've been waiting for that breakthrough for a really long time, but literally that is the advice for you, that don't get bored or don't get afraid of being that hamster in the wheel. Keep going in that wheel. You will finally figure out. The next card that I have for you is the Fool card. The Fool card says, I told you there is a new beginning, and for a lot of you, I guess, you are going to end up doing something completely different, something that you've never done before. And my advice to you guys is please network. If you guys are not networking, that is something you have to do. And at the bottom of the deck, I have the Page of Cups, which represents good news. So the cards at the back we have already discussed, but what do these cards in the front mean? The energy from the bottom of the deck. Now this energy is talking about that there was a karmic cycle that you had to go through, especially when it came to your career. You had to do something, you had to undergo something that was supposed to happen, and you are going through it now. So see, remember I told you in a wheel? Well, you are right here in this wheel, and I told you you will figure it out, because when Ace of Wands shows up, it's a card of getting that spark, getting that one uh, you know jolt from the energy, from electricity, that you're like, oh my god, that Yahoo moment. So that moment is going to come your way. And when I said you're going to end up doing something new, is because the Fool card combined with the Page of Cups. So Page of Cups card represents a positive news. So you might go and give interview, you might come across as somebody like the King of Pentacles, somebody calm, somebody composed, somebody who thinks about the long term, and you'll finally be able to get a good offer. So that is very, very prominent right here. Now, coming from the financial point of view, I do see you getting a job. Honestly, I do not see unexpected finances coming your way. But if you guys have been manifesting, I think with the Ace of Wands, I do see some kind of cash coming towards you, but you might have to do a little bit of physical work for it. More like, instead of sitting, I think you'll have to do some kind of physical work for it. Other than that, I think it seems like a pretty good news. I do not see physical cash other than this card. There are no other cards which are telling me there's going to be a lot of physical cash coming towards you, but you could always get electronic finances, or transfers coming to you. So keep that in mind. Let me know if this reading resonates, and I will see you guys next time.